Yeah, what's up, chat? So, I'm waiting for the bus. I got my $2. I look like some basketball dude. Yeah, that's what's up. Nice roundabout. Cars. No bus. I think I see an orange school bus. No, I'm not zooming in. I ain't zooming in on nothing. But y'all missed a cool red hot rod that passed. Yeah. Yo, can you wheelie that thing? Can you wheelie that thing? Yo, yo, rev that. It's a truck from that commercial. Nah, I mean from Roblox. What the hell? Oh snap! A cop. Oh, rev it! Oh my god, guys! I found Maxwell. Damn it, I can't hit my phone to it. Y'all remember that kid that was here with me? The one that I said, "Hey guys, it's me, Toad." Acting like Toad. Bro was acting like Mickey Mouse from Clubhouse. Yo, rev that thing! You stink! I think there are no transit buses. It is the weekend. So I'm just gonna start walking. I don't know what the hell. Yo, rev that! Looking at a teapot car. Yo, wheelie that thing! It is hot out here, chat. It is hot out here. But not the problem. We're going to one of my favorite parts in this whole damn Canadian country. Yeah, I'm just gonna be walking down this road. Nothing bad will happen. No loud stuff. None of it. Totally none of it. Alright. Yeah, I was waiting there for like 20 minutes. No bus. Like I said. What the hell? Continue to walk. Is what I was about to say. Yeah, that wheelie that thing. Y'all, guys. It's the Midtown. It's Midtown. Zishong Kong? No, Zishong Kong. Rev the truck! Yo, chat. Should I rev the rock? Never mind. We are not going to rev the rock. Hey, yo, I'd like to kind of sound weird. It's whenever I got my hand in my pocket, everyone thinks I'm sus. Look, there's nothing there. It's just $2. The neighbors love me. Wait, it's still recording. Ah! Yep, no blinker. What a turn. Yeah! No blinker, yeah! This is why I bike. Instead of waiting for a damn bus. I hope. I hear a damn race car over there. Hey. Wait, hold up. Rev it! Yeah. They do be working. They do be working. Yeah, chat. They do be working. Down, they put cement all down there underground. Not this cement, but the one underground. They built some sort of parking garage. Yo, it's a 1 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Yo, another one. That's my bus. Ah! Gotta get your steps in. Yo, guys, chat. It's a camera. I have one. I have the camera. Okay. Yeah, I have a camera now. It is so damn warm. Oh, right back. Yo, don't roll that call on me, dog. Don't do it. No. The neighbors love me again. Chat, I found a speeder. Yo, it's P. Diddy and his truck. Yeah. Hurry up! Can you drive a bit faster, sir? You're not gonna hit anyone. Yay! We can cross. Go. No, it's my bus again. No, let me on. No, don't drive away. No, no. Fire department. Wait up. There you go. Get out. You need to leave. Let's turn that frown upside down. Wait, it didn't work. Some guy's trying to break in. Ooh. Some guy's trying to break in. I'm kidding. That's a security guard. Well, guys, after that little adventure, we're going to ride the bus back home. I have this blue soda float with cookie dough. You gotta have cookie. No! No! Damn you! No! I can't run because all the stuff I'm holding in my headphones in my pocket. Aye! Yo, on my way home, I swear, I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! There's another one. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. An ambulance. Which way is it going? Probably the same way as the cop car. Nope. Passing by us. It's loud. Keep your eyes on the road.